What is up, guys? I'm going to be doing a bike check today on my fully custom 2014 bike. Okay, we're going to start off from the top. I got Colt Vans grips. I'm trying them out, usually with ODIs since like 2010. I've had ODIs, but trying out these grips. Feeling pretty nice. They're a little bit slippery if your hands get sweaty, but besides that, they're real grippy. I got Odyssey bar ends. The best bar ends will last you for over a year, so you won't have to keep switching out bar ends if you get these ones. I got new bars. They're the Kink Solus bars, and they're 8.6 rise by 28 width. They're the same width as my old ones, and they're just 0.6 taller because I got a little bit taller and I needed a higher setup. I have a Colt Salvation stem also to help out with that, and I have Amber headset. It doesn't really spin well. I might get a new one because I want to start trying to learn bar spins. And I have Odyssey R32 fork. My front wheel is a Amber front wheel. I don't know the name of it because Vane BMX took down their website. And then it's supposed to come in this color, but I just painted the rim black. I have a Colt Match front hub guard, and then that's my Shadow Little One peg. My tire is a Duo Stunner 2.2. Then my frame is the Gara Martyr frame. It's 21 top tube, and it's been holding up pretty well. It's pretty light. I think it's like 4 pounds, something like that. But we'll move on to my seat. This is a Federal fat seat. It's really squishy. It's got a lot of padding. But yeah, if you're looking for a seat, this one's pretty good. It's better than all my friends' seats, and they all ride fat seats. So yeah, you can try this one out. And they come in like different colors, like it doesn't have to be just red Federal logo. I have a stock seat post from my stock bike. I have new Twisted PC pedals. I always running these pedals. I just needed to get a new pair because the pins on mine were grinded like everywhere and I kept slipping and falling. It wasn't fun. I got premium 1948 cranks with the spline drive, 28 tooth sprocket that comes with it, and I got a KMC 510H chain. It's also known as a drop buster. It's been holding up pretty well. And then for my new back wheel, I have a BSD. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. I got a BSD Backstreet hub laced to a Odyssey Hazard Light rim with Sapum spokes. I got it because my bike wasn't even, like the weight wasn't even, like at all with my old back wheel. I needed a sturdier back wheel, so I just decided to get a new custom wheel, and then my bike's dialed. So, and then if you're looking at this and you're wondering why I don't have a hub guard, it's because the Shadow hub guard I had on my other setup, it didn't fit. Like this cone spacer thing is supposed to come off and then you can slide it on, but it was like rubbing on the spokes, so it wasn't gonna spin right. So I just took it off. I haven't been doing any grinds, so I'll just wait until I get the BSD Jersey hub guard to start doing grinds again. And then here's a little sound of my hub. I just got it last week, so I'm still trying to get used to everything. My bike is like really big, so none of my friends really like riding it. But yeah, that's my new setup, and I'd recommend all these parts. The only thing I might not recommend would probably be, I want to say, the front wheel. I always have to get it trued, but I mean, you're probably not gonna be able to buy it anyways. But yeah, so don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.